Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 16 is January the 16th and it is a Saturday. Actually, I started to write this content on Friday evening as my wife and I are waiting for one of our daughters to come home with Chinese food. Currently I am eating everything that could make me happy, and I think when the lockdown in Germany is over, we need to found a new combined Eiffel group for Weight Watchers and Alcoholics Anonymous. Maybe I will delete this paragraph tomorrow, as it is unrelated, we will see. Okay, Saturday is a day when the markets are closed and therefore I do other things on the weekend. Yesterday I received some stuff that I have ordered for this experiment. The first thing is a small computer that currently is sold for less than 90 euros on Amazon in Germany. I already have one of those and it works as expected since I resetted it to factory settings and did all the Windows updates. Actually, it was not working very well before I did that, but I am willing to give the second device another try, because it would be a good alternative to the 5 compute sticks I also use for automated trading. The second thing is a new router, because I finally was able to get a network connection that should increase my current connection speed significantly. Currently we pay over 100 euros each month for 3 different network devices, because here in the Eiffel it is hard to get something that is performant enough for an online company. So by the end of January I should be able to provide a constant live stream for the crowd algo trading system where you can see MetaTrader 4 doing its job in real time. At least that is what I hope will happen, but in the past I have spent thousands of dollars for network connections that didn't work very well. So we will see if that is what is going to happen after the upgrade. But if it doesn't work, I already have a second plan B. To be honest, I never do anything without that plan B, because I learned that you need to be creative to reach your goals. If you want to achieve anything, you can be sure that you will have to overcome some obstacles. Often it looks like something is not going to work well, but when you are committed, you often might actually get what you want. But that is only possible if you refuse to give up before you reach the finish line. And I am really bad at giving up, therefore I try a lot of things to get what I want. I hope it will work in this case and I will let you know how it goes. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Would you buy a device like I did and actually let it trade around the clock? Let me know. If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from still snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.